And this one is a cable crimper. It's made by Dorman, and it is a small size and it is very convenient. And this whole product is made in China but designed in US. Okay, so the Dorman model is 90707. Okay, it's a cable crimper, and this one is this type is hammer crimper. So it's a spring loaded, so you can see the spring here, and we need to put the crimp here, the downside, and we have to hammer above. Okay, so this one is for the table crimping. This one is easy because it's in the hard surface. We can easily crimp the cables, and it's very strong also. Okay, so this one which we can mount the mounting screws here. So this is all the product.